Are you tired of being broke, watching your bank account drop every time you buy a coffee or textbook? What if I told you that the skills you already have could help you build income streams that grow even while you study? In today's video, I'll reveal 5 of the easiest side hustles students can start right now, and yes, these can realistically help you go from broke to financially free. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. Freelance digital skills. Unfortunately, mostly students often feel trapped by part-time jobs that drain time, and pay minimum wage here is a solution. Freelancing online lets you turn your skills writing, design, coding, video editing into cash. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you directly to clients worldwide instead of flipping burgers for $10 an hour. Imagine earning $50 for writing a blog post that takes you an hour. Students are in a unique position. You already spend hours writing, researching, and using tools. Why not monetize that? Start by creating a simple profile, highlight one skill, and offer quick, affordable services. Within weeks, you can scale up, raise your rates, and build a portfolio that will not only bring money, but also give you experience for your career. The best part? You control your hours work from your dorm, library, or even during lunch breaks. If you've ever been told you waste time on your laptop, freelancing proves them wrong. It pays you back. Side hustle number 2, faceless YouTube automation. Most students think YouTube requires showing your face, fancy cameras, or editing skills. I have a solution of it specially for you. Now you can run a faceless YouTube channel with stock videos, AI voiceovers, and scripts. Imagine making money while sleeping because people are watching your videos around the world. Niches like finance, motivation, or study hacks are perfect for faceless channels. Tools like Pexels, Canva, and AI voice generators let you create videos without ever appearing on camera. Once you upload consistently and hit monetization, you earn ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and even sponsorships. The key? Pick a niche you enjoy researching and stay consistent. A single viral video can change your financial future. If Netflix pays you nothing to binge watch, why not flip the script and let YouTube pay you for content others binge? Side hustle number 3, social media management. Small businesses in your town struggle to post consistently online. They lose customers because of weak digital presence. Now I am telling you its solution. Offer to manage their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook for $300 to $500 a month. Every cafe, gym, and boutique around campus needs social media but doesn't have time for it. As a student, you're already on TikTok and Instagram daily. You know trends better than most business owners. That knowledge is money. Pitch them. I'll post 3 times a week, engage with followers, and help you grow. Just 2 to 3 clients could earn you $1,000 plus per month. And trust me, once they see results, they'll never want to let you go. Stop scrolling for free, get paid to scroll for someone else. Side hustle number 4, reselling/flipping. Maximum students complain about being broke while their closets are filled with unused stuff. Now it's solution for you. Now you start reselling textbooks, thrifted clothes, or tech on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. You already know textbooks cost a fortune. Why not flip them after the semester? Or grab vintage clothes at thrift stores and resell online at 3x the price. Some students make thousands by flipping sneakers alone. It doesn't require huge startup cash. Just start with things you don't use. Over time, you can scale, learn what sells fast, and turn reselling into a full business. It's the quickest way to get cash in hand while learning the basics of entrepreneurship. Your dorm might look like clutter, but in reality, it's a goldmine. Side hustle number 5, online tutoring and digital courses. Mostly students struggle with subjects while you may already excel in them. Wasted opportunity. Its solution is very easy. Tutor online or create microcourses on platforms like Chegg, Wizant, Udemy, or Skillshare. If you've ever helped a classmate study before an exam, you've already done tutoring for free. Why not get paid? Online platforms let you teach high school math, college writing, or even gaming skills. You can also record lessons once and sell them forever. Imagine teaching 50 people how to ace SAT prep, each paying $20. That's $1,000 from one course. Education is the biggest side hustle because knowledge never goes out of demand. Instead of stressing over grades, let your grades start paying you back. And there you have it, 5 side hustles that can take you from broke student to future millionaire. The truth is, you don't need to wait until graduation to start building wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how these side hustles can change your life. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which side hustle you're going to start this week. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with one simple step. You just have to take it.